Hey there, welcome back to FinX Pros. In today's video, I'll be showing you a crucial skill for anyone working with Excel macros, forms, and other advanced features, adding the Developer tab to your Excel ribbon. If you're ready to take your Excel game to the next level, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel workbook. Whether you're using the latest version or an older one, the process is quite similar. For this demonstration, I'll be using Excel 365, but don't worry if you have a different version, the steps are almost identical. To discover the version of Excel you're using, kindly explore our channel for guidance. Now, to add the Developer tab, you need to go to the File tab. It's usually at the top left corner of your screen. Click on File, and you'll see a bunch of options. What we're interested in is Options. It's typically near the bottom of the list, so go ahead and click on that. In the Excel Options window, you'll find a bunch of categories on the left. So, seek out Customize ribbon and click on it to unveil the customization settings. Now, take a look at the right side of the window. You'll see two main columns, one for the main tabs and one for the Developer tabs. In the Main Tabs column, you'll find all the tabs you currently see in your ribbon: Home, Insert, Page Layout, etc. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find Developer in the Main Tabs list. Make sure the checkbox next to Developer is selected. This will enable the tab in your ribbon. Once you've done that, click OK to apply the changes and close the Excel Options window. Fantastic! You've successfully added the Developer tab to your Excel ribbon. Now, let's locate it. Look at the top of your Excel window, and you'll see a new tab labeled Developer. Click on it, and voila! You now have access to a powerful set of tools that will allow you to take full control of Excel's capabilities. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to add the Developer tab to your Excel workbook. This opens up a world of possibilities for automation, macros, and advanced data manipulation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy excelling!